Hello crypto enthusiasts, I'm Daniel and you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how team miners can now withdraw their Egon Inu and Catapult protocol token. If you've been following my video, you'll notice that the last video I did was about bulk miners withdrawal. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can withdraw your tokens as a team miner and the important things you need to do in order to have a successful withdrawal so they don't face or fall into any form of complication. In today's video, we're going to be withdrawing these for two apps, which is the Egon Network app and the Catapult protocol app. All right. In case you're not aware, the token you're mining in the Egon Network app is called the Egon Inu token right here. As you can see, you're mining Egon Inu token right here. Why the token you're mining in the Eagle Cloud Miner app is called the Catapult protocol token. Okay. The first coin we mined on in the Eagle Network app is called Egon coin. Okay. That is past tense. What we're mining right now is Egon Inu, so do not get it twisted. Okay, do not take one for the other. Saying you're mining Egon coin can get your account banned by the core team if they find out this is the information you spread to the general public. So be careful of what you say. What you're mining right now is Egon Inu token. So first thing first on how to withdraw this is to head over to your Cryptokara wallet. Right, I'm going to show you something. Okay. We're going to be using a wallet called the Cryptokara wallet. Right, this is the wallet right here. So I'm just going to click on this right now, and yes, this is the Cryptokara wallet. Okay, now before you carry out this withdrawal, you ought to update this Cryptokara wallet, and the update process is not just by going to Google Play Store and then clicking on updates. No, there are steps to this. Okay, and I'm going to be explaining to you those steps in a moment. Okay, first thing first, before you update this wallet, you have to come over to the settings right here. Okay, just click on this setting section right here, then click on backup wallet. Now the moment you click on backup wallet, it's going to show you your seed phrase. Okay, it's going to actually show you numbers numbered from 1 to 12 with asterisk. Now you're going to hold a button. Okay, you're going to hold a button that says press and hold to review. Now once you press and hold that, it will review your seed phrase. Now what you're meant to do is to copy that seed phrase from number 1 to 12. Okay, because that is what you'll be using to restore your wallet. Okay, due to the update process I'm going to be introducing to you right now, because this update process requires you actually uninstalling the app. You have to uninstall the app. This is what the Eagle Core team said. Okay, so before you uninstall the app, you have to make sure that your seed phrase is complete, is numbered down on a piece of paper or on your jotter orderly. Okay, so I'm just going to do that quick. So once you have made sure that you've copied your seed phrase down, what you're meant to do right now is to come back. So I'm going to hold this very app right now, then click on app info. Depending on the kind of device you use, it might display app details or app information or something similar. Now I'm going to click on storage. You're going to locate somewhere it says storage on the app. Now click on clear cache. Okay, then click on clear storage. You have to clear the cache and clear the storage. So I'm just going to click on clear cache and then click on clear storage. As you can see, it says delete app data. All these app data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, accounts, database, etc. So we're going to click on OK. That's why I said before you do this, make sure you copied your seed phrase down. Okay, now once the app data is deleted, then head back and then click on this install button right here, and automatically once you click the install button, you'll be asked whether or not you want to uninstall. Just click OK, and automatically this will be uninstalled from your phone, meaning there's no file on your phone right now. Now, the next thing you're meant to do is to go over to Play Store. Okay, we want to update this very app on Play Store. So go head over to Play Store, click the search bar, type in the keyword Cryptokara in the search bar, and as you can see, this is going to load up right now. And the moment it loads up, what you're meant to do is just go ahead and click on install, because we want to install this again. And I'm just going to wait for this to install and come back to this very video. So the Cryptokara wallet has successfully installed in our device. So I'm just going to go back and then go ahead and open that up. As you can see, this is it right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on that right now. And yes, the wallet is going to open up as if it was just new, all right, because we cleared the cache and all data. All right, so as you can see, private and secure wallet, private keys never leave your device. I'm going to swipe to the next, and as you can see, swap, exchange one crypto to another without using fiat currency as an intermediary. I'm going to click on swap again, and we have a DR browser. Use the in-app DR browser to browse to different DRs, and then I'm going to click on skip right now. And if you're new to this, if you haven't downloaded the Cryptokara wallet, all you have to do is just come over here and click on create Cryptokara wallet. Okay, it's simple. Just click on this and you would create a new Cryptokara wallet. And what you're meant to do is to write down your seed phrase. Whenever I say seed phrase or 12-word key or something like that, just write that down. All right, write it down and make sure you don't show it or share it with anyone, because anyone who has access to that can do away with your funds. Okay, but if you are to restore your wallet, which is what I want to do right now, all you have to do is to come over to restore wallet. Okay, just click on restore wallet. There are two options right here: import with seed or import from private key. Now we're going to be importing with seed phrase. Okay, so I'm going to click on import with seed, and as you can see, it's numbered here from 1 to 12. So I'm going to type them right now. Okay, after typing them, then I'll come back to this video. After I'm done, I'm going to click on import. Please make sure that all letters are written in lowercase, that is small letters throughout. Okay, do not use big letters and do not add extra spaces or commas. Okay, so just click on import right now, and as you can see, it's importing my wallet right now, and voila, as quick as anything. All right, this is even faster than before, because the Cryptokara wallet you used to know before used to take a lot of time before it imports your wallet. But as you can see, there is a new upgrade and update right now, and I would say this is a welcome development. So the coin we are meant to withdraw right now is the Inu, which is Egon Inu token, and the Catapult protocol token. So how do we do this? It's simple. All we have to do right now is to head over to our Ego Network app and then click on this big miner button at the middle of your screen. Just click on that. Now the moment this loads up, just come over here that it says miner fees 2, and then click on this drop down arrow right here, and as you can see right here, the Ego I'm able to redeem right now is 63,911. Okay, I'm going to click on redeem. That's the next thing you're meant to do. Click on redeem, and you'll only be able to withdraw 5%. Okay, if you're hoping to withdraw all, no, that's not possible. You'll only be able to withdraw 5%, and you must have mined Ego that would give you up to 1,000. As you can see right here, I'll be able to withdraw 3,195. All right, the total Ego you must have mined must be able to give you 1,000 Ego to redeem, because if it's not up to 1,000 Ego, if the 5% does not make up to 1,000 Ego, then you won't be able to redeem. Okay, so it has to be up to 1,000 Ego. That means you must have mined at least 20,000 Ego, and 10% of that would be 2,000, and 5% will be 1,000 Ego. All right, it's that simple. So I'm just going to go ahead right now, and right here it says add your Egon Inu token address right here. So I'm just going to minimize this, head back to my Cryptokara wallet, and then click on this one that says Inu. Please note, if you are withdrawing for Ego Network app, which is the Egon Inu token, click on Inu, which is EGC20, and not Egon coin. Please take note, or Egon BEP20. What you're meant to be withdrawing is this, and this is the wallet address you're going to be copying. So I'm going to click on Inu right here, and then click on receive. Okay, just click on that button, and then come over here and click on this copy icon to copy my wallet address, and then head back to the Ego Network app, and then paste in my Inu wallet address right here, and redeem partner token. This is what I'm going to be redeeming right now. I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on redeem. Okay, to redeem this token, and right here is loading up, and as you can see, your redeem request is on queue. All redeem requests are only sent on Thursdays. This means only on Thursdays of the week you get tokens sent into your wallet. So depending on the day you do this, you just have to expect the withdrawal to arrive in your wallet on a Thursday. Okay, it won't happen immediately. Thursdays is the days they process the redeem request. If you don't get it this Thursday, expect it to come the next Thursday. This is how it works. Now, how do you see the token you have redeemed? Okay, or how to check where you have redeemed it? Just come over to the history section. Okay, and as you can see right here, it's pending. When we have successfully received it in our Cryptokara wallet, you're going to see that it will be displaying successful. Okay, and for the Ego Cloud Miner, we're going to be redeeming the Egon Inu token. Let me just head back. Okay, let me just minimize this right now, and then come over to the Ego Cloud Miner app, and just like I told you before, you click on this big miner button right here. If you haven't been mining the Ego Cloud Miner app, just know that it's not different from the Ego Network app. Okay, it's just that the tokens you're mining is different, but the app interface is the same, the process is the same. Okay, in fact, they are partner tokens, and this very app was created by the Ego core team. So I'm going to go ahead right now and click on the big miner button at the middle of my screen to redeem my Catapult protocol token. Okay, so I'm going to click on redeem. If you notice, the first one we redeem was displayed 4 bars, and the reason for that is because we withdrawed Egon coin at first. That was minor phase 1, and the minor phase 2 is the Egon Inu withdrawal we just did. Okay, but for this very app, it's new. The first coin we're going to be redeeming right here is just the Catapult protocol token. So I'm going to click on the drop down arrow right here, and the redeemable ego right here is 60,000 ego. Okay, and I'm going to click on redeem now. Okay, and as you can see right here, what I'll be able to redeem is 5%, which is 3,014. Of course, 5% is 3,014, because 10% is about 6,000. Yeah, so 5% is around 3,000. All right, so that's what I'll be able to redeem right now. So what do we do again? It's same process. We just have to copy or add our Catapult protocol token address right here. So I'm just going to head over to my Cryptokara wallet. Okay, and then click on CPT. Okay, this is what you're meant to click on. Do not click on any other token, or else there's a high possibility your tokens might get lost. So make sure you look very well before you click on each of these tokens. So I'm going to click on CPT right now, and then while you click on it, make sure it's displaying the tokens symbol right here and the name, okay, before you copy the address. So I'm going to click on receive to receive my address, okay, to be able to copy my address. So I'm going to click on the copy icon again and add to my Catapult protocol token app, okay, which is the Eagle Cloud Miner app, and paste in that address right there, and then click on redeem button right here. Okay, and that is also loading up, and you can see the alert again right here says your redeem request is on queue. Okay, all redeem requests are only set on Thursday. Same message. And you can also come here, which is the history section right here. Come over here and click on that, and you see that my redeem request is pending right now. And once it appears, once I get this on one of the Thursdays of the week, okay, of the months, I'll get to see the token appear here. Okay, so this is basically how it works. Right, this is not rocket science. This is crypto. Okay, it's not rocket science. It's just something you have to pay attention to, something you also have to make sure you are following carefully. Okay, you have to stay updated. As you can see, there's no updates to notify miners that we can now withdraw. Right, there's no update. But if you have been following, you know that team miners can now withdraw. Bulk miners withdraw on February, but this is team miners time, and right now we can now withdraw. Okay, just in case you don't know what team miners and bulk miner is, the difference is clear. Okay, bulk miners are people that are powered up, okay, while team miners are people that are mining for free. What do I mean by powered up for the bulk miners? Bulk miners are people that actually paid to purchase some ego, like kind of an upgrade. But team miners are people that never invested in this project but are just mining for free. The withdrawal time for both of them are different. So when next can we redeem our tokens? Let me show you something right here. As you can see, it's displaying that the total that I have redeemed for the Ego Network app is 3,195 Egon Inu token. And the next time I'll be able to redeem this is in 29 days, 23 hours, 51 minutes, 01 seconds. That's the next time I'll be able to redeem this. That is, you will only be able to withdraw in about 30 days from the time you do it once a month. So that's it. So this is it, guys. This is the video I have for you today. I hope you learned something. If you did, don't be stingy with the likes. Leave a like and I'll really appreciate it if you do. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have someone or a group of people you feel this message might be important to, kindly share this video so a lot of them will benefit from it. Okay, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And if you want to stay more updated, then follow our social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, right? And I'll be happy to welcome you in the group. Until I come your way next time, I remain your crypto guide, and Patrick. Stay safe.